Good morning, students. My name is Sreema Jeevan. I am dealing community health nursing, unit number 2, community health nursing. So in this unit, there are three sections are there. First section and second section we has already finished. In the first section, that is definition, what is philosophies, goals, objectives, and then we have studied in the first sections. And then the second section, who is a community health nurse, what are the qualities and what are the functions of community health nurse we have studied. And this is the third section, section number C, that is community nursing process. In the community nursing process, earlier classes we has learned about what is assessments and all, and nursing diagnosis and all, and we are started already the planning section. In the planning section is the next topic is planning with the community participatory approach. So we'll go for learning what is participatory approach. So participate with the community, that is what is being planned for a community is planned with the community people itself. Okay, so what are the nursing problems we have seen? Okay, so what are the health issues we just understand from the community side? So you are giving one plan for solve the problems and all. So which are the plan you has taken for solving the problem? You should communicate with the community people itself. Okay, then it will add. So once you are communicating with the community people about their health issues, okay, these are the plans nursing care I am going to give, so please cooperate with the particular cares and all. Then if you are taking this type of nursing care, you will be resolved from the your health issues. So these are the things which you have, whatever the plans which you are giving for the patient, you can able to give directly tell the plans before itself. So once you are telling your plans, they are feeling about the self esteem will be there, and they are having some interest will be there, and they are having some developing some sense of responsibility and autonomy. So once you are telling the plan towards the individual, family and the community to solve the health problems, they will be getting some responsibilities. Okay, so if I am getting this nursing cares from the community health nurse, I can solve my health issues. If I am following my some diet plan, so I can able to solve my health issues. So if I am doing my exercise which was taught by the community health nurse, so I can solve my health problems. So many plans will be there to resolve the problem of a health in the community sector. So once you are telling the plan, they can able to understand. So these are the nursing care we are getting to solve the problems. If I am following all those the instructions and plans and adapting the nursing cares and all, means I can recover as a good healthy lifestyles. So next one is purpose. So there are 3 points in the purpose section. First one is to sense and motivate the people. So what it indicate that, so once you are telling the plan towards the community to solve the health issues, means they will be having sensitize. So sense of responsibilities will be there. So if I am doing this particular care, means I can solve my problem and motivate. So if they want to control the diet or doing the exercise, I can able to motivate the people to lead a healthy lifestyle. Okay, then second point is to feel this seriousness about the problems. So once you are telling what is health problem about the individual, family and the community, so if you are explaining all those things, they can able to understand, okay, so what depth the health problem was there in the individual or a family or a community. So the feeling of seriousness about the problem they can able to understand once you are communicating and teaching them thoroughly. Third point is to realize the importance of finding solution. So they can able to realize, the community people can able to realize how we can able to solve the problem. So that for solving the problem it is very important to finding out the solution by the community health nurse. Okay, so once they are knowing what is the health problem, so they first of all, once they are understanding about what is the health issues they are having, then what is the nursing care we can able to give, so that the client or a patient or an individual can able to understand, so what is the importance of finding a solution to solve the problems. Okay, so these are the 3 points in the purpose. So first one is to sensitize and motivate the people. Second one is to feel the seriousness of problems. Third one is to realize the importance of finding solutions. Next one is steps in participatory approach. There are 5 steps in there. First one is meet the community. So meet the community is the first step. Second one is present the problems in order to priority. Third one is be flexible to change the priority. Fourth one, participatory problem solving. Fifth one, discuss the action. So there are 5 steps in participatory approach in planning in community. So the first one is meeting the community. So once you are a community health nurse, you should meet the community and you should understand what is the problem in the community and make a plan to make a need, what is the need of the community. Okay, so meet the community and you should understand the what is the problem in the community and make a plan about the needs of the community and give the nursing cares. Okay, second point is present the problem in order wise. Okay, so as we are understanding about the health issues, so make a nursing care in a priority wise, which one will be the first one. So nursing cares and we can able to give. Okay, third one is be flexible to change the priority, because according to the age wise and all we should change the nursing care in a ranking wise and all. So be flexible towards the priority nursing cares. Then fourth one is participatory problem solving approach. So once you are making the nursing care in a priority wise, you can able to make the patient to participate in the nursing care to solve the problems. Okay, fifth one is discuss the actions. So before giving the nursing care, you should communicate with the patient. So these are the plans we are giving towards you, so you please cooperate with the nursing care. So once you are cooperating and getting the nursing care, you will be recover from the particular disease, or you will be getting the health situation, health in a good. Okay, so these are the steps for the participatory approach. First one, you should meet the community and meet the needs of the community, and you should understand the problems. Second one, that is present the problem in order to priority wise. So as when you are giving the introduction and all, you should give the presentation about the what is health problem to the community. So what is health problem, how you can able to resolve all the problems, and you can able to inform towards to the peoples. Okay, third one is be flexible to change the priorities. So once you are formulated a nursing care, okay, so first priority ranking wise and all, we will be giving the care. Then so if the patient is rejecting, or if the patient in a age wise, we can able to give the nursing cares and all, according to that one you can able to plan. Okay, fourth one is participatory problem solving approaches. So once you are identify the needs of the peoples, you can able to solve the problems. First of all, you should communicate with the community people and make them to participate in nursing cares and solve the health issues. And discuss, next step is discuss the actions before giving the nursing care. You should, what are the plans you are taken to solve their problem health issues. So you should communicate with those peoples and make them awareness. So these are the nursing care plan I have set it. So you can able to cooperate. Once you are cooperating with the nursing cares, you will be recovered from the health issues. Okay, so these are the steps in participatory approach. We'll see in detail. So first one is meeting the needs, meeting the community. After the community identification, if possible, the whole or a village leader or a village health committee or a planning groups and share the findings. So once you are meet the community, so identifying the community means what is a village and who is the village leader, and what is the committees, what is the plan of actions and all in the groups and all, and share the findings. So what are the findings you have found out from the community side, you can able to share towards the health department. Second point is present the problem in the order wise. So as you find out the health issues from the community, make a nursing plan in a priority wise. Third point, be flexible to change the priority. So once you are identify the health issues, we can able to make further changes in the nursing cares. Fourth one is participatory problem solving approach. So here in this point there are 3 stone approaches are there. So first one is large stone, then second one medium stone and small stone. So why they has given like this means, so you are finding out the first of all the first problem solving method will be there. Then sometime you can able to understand what is a big, maybe big issues will be there, and medium issues will be there, and small issues will see. So large stones, okay, then medium stones and small stones will be there for the participatory planning approach and all. So once planning participatory approach, so once you are identifying the community, you can able to understand what is the health issues, which is the main health issues will be there in the community side. So while we will be taking the physical examination, history collection, physical examination, and whatever the past histories, everything we will be taking in account. Okay, so we'll see that one. 3 stone approach. So what is 3 stone approach? We have seen is large stone, medium stone and small stone. So we'll see what is that one. So for that 3 stone approaches, we will make first community gathering and all, and so we will be calling all the peoples in a one place. Okay, so one open space or good area, we will be calling all the peoples and gather together. And next one is arrange the three types of stones. Okay, that is large stone, medium stone and small stone. C, that is selecting representative from all the age group. So we will be okay, maybe as uh, 10 to 20 years we will be taking one uh, candidate, at 20 to 30 will be taking candidate, and 30 to 40 and 40 to 50 and all, each age group we can able to take one candidate and all. Okay, then drawing the symbols of problems on the floor with chalk. Okay, so if you want, when we are going for teaching all the age groups, we will be making some symbols of the problems on the floor with the chalk piece. Then see, asking the representative keep the stone according to priority or needs. So asking the representative keep the stones according to priority or needs. Then F, that is calculate the significance. So what are the, if it is health issues we are having, so the representatives will be keeping the stones according to the priority needs, and because which one is the most health issues will be there, more problem will be there. And second one, which one is the second conditions or a problem in the community. And third one, that is small stone will be getting as so that not that much of health issues will be there in the community. So commonly we are seeing which type of health issues that will be giving us big stone or large stone. Okay, then we'll be finding out the significance about the particular health issues, then finalizing the problem to be solved. So once you are knowing that which one is the large health issues, then we will be planning according to the nursing cares upon the priority wise, then we will solve the health problems. Then fifth one is discuss the action. Discuss the action that can be planned and finalized in same meeting. If feasible, a separate meeting can be called later. So once we are going for discussing all the plans and finalizing this meeting, so or separating the meeting can be called later. So once you are communicating with the peoples, that is what is the health problem, what are the nursing care we are giving towards the community peoples, so how we can able to solve the problems and all, we can able to communicate and inform towards the community peoples and all. Then if in a particular age group and all we are giving the care, means we can able to laterally call the only the particular age group for solving the problems, health problems. So that's about the topic there. So we has learned what are the steps of participatory approach. So first one is meet the community, second one is present the problem in order to priority, then third one be flexible to change the priority, fourth one participatory problem solving approaches, fifth one is discuss the actions. Here we has learned the mainly three stones: large stone, medium stone and small stone. Large stone, according to the health issues, we are giving the care towards the community peoples. Okay, so hope you has understood the topic. If you having any doubt, you can able to ask me personally. Thank you.